Alright, so what we got here is my 1959 Fordson Dexta diesel. It's got a 3-cylinder Perkins, I believe it's 148 cubic inch 3-cylinder diesel. I may be wrong on that. I know the Super Dexters had 152. It's either 144 or 148 in this tractor. And I just put a little tiny battery in this thing just in hopes of starting it. It's probably been 6 months since I've run it. But I did a little work to it when I was back in high school as a senior project. I painted it a little bit and all that, but I didn't do a very good job. I got a tachometer out of a Massey Ferguson TO35, I think, and put in there. And of course that's just a Sunpro gauge. But if it does start, it'll smoke a bit because it's been sitting, and then it'll clear up once it's warmed up. But I don't know if this battery's even got enough charge in it to get it to crank, because it's going to take some ether. This tractor, the engine hasn't been rebuilt in several years, probably 40. And who knows if it'll start. There's the muffler. But I don't know, they got it addicted to ether at some time. But I'll show you what it looks like here with the hood closed. It's had some damage done to it and all that. They just beat the crap out of it, but it's literally bought this farm more than once. So it was always my favorite tractor when I was little. Used to love riding it. I used to call it Old Blue. Go figure. It was in a lot worse shape before I got hold of it, and I did a little work to it. So what we can try to do here is start it. Like I said, I doubt it'll start without a battery charger on it, but I've got it on the major. And over here we've got the clutch pedal, and over here we've got both brake pedals, the right and the left, and that's our throttle here. What I'll do is crack the throttle a little bit and turn the key on down here. It gives us both lights on the dashboard. This red light is for charge, the green light is for oil pressure. And since they're both on right now, it means it's got neither. So what we'll do is take some of this starting fluid, which I hate to use, but I have to on this, and spray it up here in the air cleaner. And beats me if it'll fire or not, but we'll sure try it. Throw this back in the toolbox here. So, got the throttle open a little bit. There's the start handle. I think we might need a little bit more ether. It's turning it over slow but evenly. I think this thing just doesn't have the cranking amps. So now we'll try a little bit more ether here. Maybe that much. And I'll go ahead and turn it over. Probably not going to fire. Maybe I can give it a little more throttle. I wish the glow plug heater would work. It's really cold, so the glow plug's not being heated. I can try it. I doubt it'll do anything, but the light dim, so maybe it will work. But I'll sure try it. It says hold it for 45 seconds. So I'll just keep on holding here and we'll see what we can do. As you can see, we got an engine. And it smells hot because of the starter, but oh well. Just something to heat that glow plug. Since diesel engines don't use spark, they use compression, and the glow plug helps in that. And since it has a manual glow plug heater, we'll see if it actually does anything. That should be good enough. So, we'll try it. I think I'll try the ether again. It's going to need something. I don't think it'll turn it over fast enough to do it. Now, maybe. little more throttle. I'm just going to set this down right here. Maybe we can get something out of it if I can work the throttle and the ether at the same time. Let's see here. Got it. We got it. How about that? I was starting to think we wouldn't get it. Fill the place up with some smoke here. I'll tell you, I love this tractor. Got the lift control over here. I'll pick the lift up. If it'll go up. Doesn't look like it wants to go up. There we go. Just cycle the lift a little bit. That's our high-low shifter. So I'll move it down into high. And I think that's reverse. I don't remember. There we go, reverse. This was a fast little tractor. Put it in third gear, I could hit 30 with it. That's pretty good for farm equipment. Shift it down in the first low to get it back in the shop here. down, turn the key off, and then pull out the stop lever. And that's the Dexter.